Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you can use two Zapier applications within the same Zap. So assuming that we are using the new inbound trigger and we're using an inbound email as that trigger, we can then set an outbound email using the same kind of Zapier action. So in this case, we're going to use email by Zapier. And what we're going to do is we're now going to send an outbound email. We're then going to click continue. We are now going to set up an email. We are going to give the email a subject. We are going to write in the body for the email. Now, if there is an attachment, we can make it so that it can be part of the email in most cases, but this is not a required field, nor is the from name a required field. Basically, we have filled in all of the required fields, and everything else that we'll be filling in will be based on the scenario that we set up. Now, what we're saying is that when a new inbound email comes, that an email will be sent to a specific individual with a specific subject and a specific body. Now, in this case, we are going to attach the body of the email. And what we're now going to do is click continue. And we are going to test the email. And the outbound email is now sent. And the email has now been sent. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.